I've been an addict, over dramatic, stuck on a habit.
So if you clicked on this video, you've probably seen some of the Lightroom presets that are for sale online, and you probably realized that most of them are pretty expensive. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make free Lightroom presets for your own pictures on your phone. So really simple. If you're interested in making your own Lightroom presets, make sure to keep watching.
Tell me what you're feeling, girl.
I just want to get this one out of the way, but if you don't already have the Lightroom app, make sure to download it right now because you're obviously going to be needing it to make your own preset. Next, you're going to want to import a photo that is going to be your template for your preset. So what I usually do is I will take a picture that has a bunch of scenery and has people in it, and the reason for that is because this kind of helps you see a wide range of colors, because obviously you don't want your people to look orange and you also don't want your scenery to look too washed out, so you won't need to go back and forth through pictures. It's just a tip that kind of helps me. This tip is kind of hard to tell you what exactly to do, but you're just going to start editing your picture as normal. This is how I edit my pictures, as you can see on the screen right now. This is obviously really customizable. Do whatever you want. It's totally up to you. Once you are pretty happy with the way that your editing looks, you're gonna save this into your Lightroom gallery. There should be like a little check mark in the corner. Make sure to press that, then it'll be added to your Lightroom gallery. Then you're gonna go to your Lightroom gallery and you're gonna click on that picture again, and it should bring up a new option where you can save it as a preset. You're gonna wanna do that. Tile it whatever you want. This is kind of the annoying part. Now that you have your preset, you can kind of think of it as kind of like a rough draft. You probably want to test it on a couple other pictures. So maybe take a picture that has more blue or more greens just to see how it looks, because obviously every picture that you take is going to be a little different, so you want to make sure that your preset is working on kind of a wide range of picture options. If you do this step, it will really help you. It'll make editing a lot easier. Every time you edit a new picture, you could just go to your user presets and your custom preset will already be there. So that is pretty much it for making your own preset. Obviously, I feel like once you make one preset, it's kind of addicting and you kind of just start making 100 more. At least that's what happened to me. Since I like making presets so much, I actually decided to make my own presets to share with you guys. So far I made one preset as of now when this video is up. It'll be on my website, so link in the description to the preset that I made. It's called Summer Days. I know, really original. This is obviously free, and it would kind of be cool if you guys would kind of try out this preset for yourself. These are some of the before and after pictures of with the preset and without the preset, so I think the before and after pictures are pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you give this video a giant thumbs up and subscribe. I really had fun making this video. Lightroom presets have been something really interesting that I've been getting into lately, so obviously if you want more Lightroom presets from me, or you just want something to do with photo editing, whatever it may be, make sure to comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I wanna